Good day to all students viewing me at home. I hope you guys are really keeping to the pandemic safety rules predisposed by the government. In our last class, we discussed things about solubility rules, where we spoke extensively on how we can use these solubility rules in predicting what type of salt is soluble and what type of salt is insoluble. But today, we are looking into a subtopic in that solubility titled Calculation Involving Solubility. Calculations involving solubility. And under this topic, there are certain things expected of us. At the end of the whole thing, we must be able to calculate the solubility of a solid in either mole per dm cube or grams per dm cube. All right? Now, let's proceed to see some certain things we need to know. Now, there are many ways by which we can calculate solubility of a solute in a solvent. But one of the fastest method and the simplest method is what we want to discuss here, and that is the use of formula. What is the formula you use in calculating solubility of a solute in mole per dm cube? That is your solutes divided by your solvent. Your solute is the solid sample, while your solvent is the liquid sample. Then multiply by 1000 divided by the molar mass of that salt in question. Then let's look at the solubility in grams per dm cube. If you're asked to find the solubility in grams per dm cube, this is the formula you use. Solubility in mole per dm cube multiplied by the molar mass of that salt in question. Let us come to the question precisely. All right, question number 1. If 12.2 grams of lead 2 triazonitrate 5 salt, that is PbNO3, that's the chemical formula, were dissolved in 21 grams of distilled water at 20 degrees Celsius, that is the specific temperature under which the dissolution is taking place, then calculate the solubility of solute in A, mole per dm cube, B, grams per dm cube. And you have been given the relative molecular mass of lead triazonitrate 5 already as 331. But mind you, if you are not given this, you need to look for this by calculating this by yourself. Okay? Let's look at the solution. The first one is solubility in moles per dm cube. Don't forget we said we are making use of formula. This is the formula. And let's see how this works. Solute. What is our solute in the question? If 12.2 grams of lead 2 nitrate, this is a solute. This one will give us 12.2 divided by solvent. We're dissolved in 21 grams of distilled water. Distilled water is our solvent, and what is the mass? That's 21 grams. Then multiply by 1000 divided by, what is the molar mass given to you in the question? 331. But don't forget I told you, if you are not given, you need to find out by yourself. Okay? This one will give us 12,200 divided by, who is multiplying this for us? 21 times 331. That will give us what? 6951. Thank you for that. Then this one is equal to, so what will be our final answer here now? That is 1.76. Don't forget your unit is very important whenever you're talking about calculations in chemistry. So that is mole per dm cube. So this is our final answer for option A, solubility of that solute in mole per dm cube. Yes, this is the option B, solubility in grams per dm cube. And don't forget, this is also the use of formula, solubility in mole per dm cube times molar mass. But mind you, the solubility in mole per dm cube is what we got the other time in option A, which was 1.76, then times, what is the molar mass of the solute that has been given to us? 331. So this one will give us, who is pressing that for us? That's 582.56. Then this one will be in what? Grams per dm cube. This means that in every 1000 dm cube of solution, you must always have 582.56 grams of lead 2 triazonitrate 5. Alright? This is just a few questions among many other questions we have under this topic. But when we get to the Google Classroom, we are going to discuss as many as possible questions in the Google Classroom. So as you watch this, I will be expecting every student in the Google Classroom. Thank you. God bless you.